How to sell a PDF on Gumroad. Hey everyone and welcome, I hope you're all doing great. In this video I'll show you step by step how to do so. So first of all, obviously you would want to have an account with Gumroad. If you don't have that already, just go ahead and create one, it's for free. You can just go ahead and get started right away. So in here, once you actually log in, you should find yourself in a similar screen to this. And you basically want to click on your profile picture, which should be on the top right. And this should take you to the Gumroad settings or dashboard where you can, adjust things for your profile. Now, I suggest that before we jump into how to set up a PDF to sell, let's just go ahead and go to the settings. I'm not going to show you, but, I suggest that you do so. Go to the payment settings, go to your profile settings, and, set up your settings, generally speaking, on Gumroad, because this is going to be easier for you in the future. Now, once we're in here and we have set up our settings, we just want to go to the products section on the left panel. So just go ahead and click on that. And then in here, you will find the list of all the products that you have already published. But if you don't have any, then it's going to look a little something like this. So all you need to do is just click on new product on the top right. And then from here, we would want to select the type of product that we want to sell. So in this case, it could be digital product or ebook, because usually, it's going to be a PDF. So if you want it to be a normal PDF, you can just go ahead and set up digital product. If it is an PDF but ebook at the same time, then just go ahead and select this one. Either way, you can still sell PDFs using it. In my case, I'm just going to go for digital product. At the top, just go ahead and give it a name. So I'm just going to name it test PDF. And then we would want to scroll down, and then I'm going to list the price that I want. So I'm just going to go for, let's just say 50 for this case. And then we can just go and click on next, customize at the top right. In here, you would want to add a description to it. So let people know what exactly they're going to be buying. So describe it as best as you can without, having to spoil anything within the PDF. So let me just go ahead and add some text in here, just because I believe it is actually mandatory. But we can just go ahead and scroll down, and here we can add the URL to it. So we can just do test PDF. And then if you would want to set up your custom domain, you can also do so from here. But we also can scroll down and find the cover. So this is only a, you could say a sneak peek, or, whatever type of image that is going to be more like a thumbnail. So I'm just going to select one for good measure here. And it's going to actually take the top here. You can actually see it in a sec. So you can see the image is going to be right there. And then we can also set up more stuff. For example, the product information. Call to action is going to be pay or buy this. This is pretty much the button that they will say. So I'm just going to do, I want this, I'm just going to keep it like that. And the summary, again, is just going to be what they're going to be getting. I'm just going to add some random text. And then here, if you want to add additional details, feel free to do so. In my case, I don't really need to. And if you want to set up integrations like a Discord server, you can do so. It's up to you. You just need to connect it. And then the pricing is going to be 50, but you can also allow customers to pay whatever they want. If you do enable this, you can set up a minimum amount and also a suggested amount. So it's completely up to you whether you want to turn that on or not. And then also you can feel free to set up the variants. If you have variants to this product, most likely than not, if it's a PDF, it's not going to work. And I highly suggest that you read through these settings, because sometimes it actually is very useful to turn them on, or even mandatory to turn them on, depending on where you are from. Now, let's just go ahead and skip to the content. So click on content at the top. And then from here, we would want to actually add the content that you want to sell. So I'm just going to go ahead and upload the file. And to do so, first, if you want to, feel free to add whatever you want. So you can do something like here is the PDF that you are looking for. So after you type that, you can feel free to just go ahead and click on upload files, and then computer files, and then here you can just go ahead and attach your PDF. So once that's done, we can just go and click on publish and continue. And we should have our product ready to go. We can just go and click on save changes. If you wanted to share it, feel free to do so from here. But in my case, I'm just going to do save changes. And we are pretty much good to go. If we just go back to products now, we are going to actually see it here published and everything, so people can actually go ahead and buy it now. So let's go to share real quick, copy URL, and let's open it up in a new tab. Hopefully it's not going to open it up through my account. And we can actually see people can click on that and be able to purchase it. So this is all for this video. Hopefully you found it to be helpful, and thanks for watching.